Welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about quitting your 9 to 5 or maybe avoiding one altogether and starting your own online business instead? Imagine waking up, rolling out of bed, and instead of sitting in traffic or dealing with a boss breathing down your neck, you are running your own digital empire from your laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? But here is the twist. It is not just a dream anymore. Thousands of people right here in the United States are building online businesses that give them freedom, flexibility, and yes, real money. In this video, I am breaking down the best online business ideas for 2025 and beyond, businesses you can actually start, even if you do not have a ton of money, experience, or a Silicon Valley hoodie collection. Stick around until the end, because I will also reveal how these businesses can become the foundation for multiple income streams, which is exactly what our next video will dive into. But first, let's explore the ideas that could change your life. Point 1. Freelancing and online services. Let's start with the most accessible online business, freelancing. Think of freelancing like being your own boss without needing to invent the next TikTok. If you can write, design graphics, edit videos, code websites, or even just manage social media accounts, congratulations, you already have a business idea. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are filled with people looking for your skills. Here is the emotional kicker. You do not need permission to start. You do not need a degree or a fancy office. Just your laptop, Wi-Fi, and the willingness to deliver value. And yes, at first you might get paid in what feels like coffee money, but as you build reputation and raise your rates, you can turn freelancing into a full-time career. Or even better, into an agency that hires others to help scale your work. Point 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Next up, e-commerce. You have probably ordered something online in the past week, maybe even today. Well, someone made money from that sale, and it could have been you. The beauty of e-commerce is that you do not even need to hold inventory anymore. With dropshipping, you can sell products online while suppliers handle the shipping. It is like running a store without ever touching a single box. Sure, the market is competitive, but if you focus on unique products, tight branding, and understanding your audience, you can carve out a profitable niche. Think about it, you can run a global business from your bedroom. That is not just powerful, that is the future. Point 3. Content creation and affiliate marketing. Here is the fun one: content creation. You have seen YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagram creators making bank. But here is the secret. You do not have to be famous to make money with content. When you create content around a topic you love, gaming, fitness, beauty, finance, whatever, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and especially affiliate marketing. That is where you recommend products and earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. It is basically word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. And the best part? Content is an asset. A video or blog you post today can still earn you money months or even years from now. Imagine going to sleep and waking up to sales notifications. Yeah, not a bad way to live. Point 4. Digital products and online courses. Now, let's talk about digital products because this is where things get scalable. Unlike freelancing, where your income depends on your hours, digital products can be sold an unlimited number of times without extra effort. Think ebooks, templates, music beats, photography presets, or even online courses. If you are good at something, package your knowledge and sell it. Here is the emotional pull. You are not just making money, you are creating impact. Your ebook might help someone finally budget their money. Your course might help someone land a better job. That is value that goes beyond dollars. And when you combine this with content creation, you have got yourself a money machine that runs 24/7. Point 5. Subscription models and membership communities. Finally, let's talk about recurring revenue because one-off sales are nice, but predictable income is life-changing. That is where subscription models and membership communities come in. Maybe you run a private Discord group, a Patreon page, or a subscription newsletter. The idea is simple. People pay you monthly for ongoing value. Think Netflix, but for your niche. Whether it is exclusive fitness programs, financial tips, or even a community of gamers, people will pay to belong. And the beauty? Instead of starting from zero every month, your income stacks. A few hundred subscribers paying $10 each, that is $3,000 a month in predictable income. Not bad for an online business you can run from anywhere. So let's recap. The best online business ideas for young adults today are: 1. Freelancing and online services. 2nd, e-commerce and dropshipping. 3. Content creation and affiliate marketing. 4th, digital products and online courses. 5th, subscription models and membership communities. Each of these businesses has different strengths, but they all share one thing. You do not need to be rich, famous, or even a tech genius to start. What you need is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn. And here is the emotional truth. Starting an online business is not just about making money. It is about freedom. It is about waking up without dread. It is about creating something that belongs to you, not your boss, not your company, but you. Now imagine where you could be a year from today if you actually start now. That is the power of taking action. If you enjoyed this video and want to take your financial journey even further, do not just stop at one business. In my next video, we will explore how to build multiple income streams so you are never relying on just one source of money again. So hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because the next video could be the one that changes your financial future. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start your online business was yesterday. The second best time, right now.